Kia ora all. This video is going to show you how to record data into a Google Sheet if you're wanting to put it into NZgrapher. I am going to look at a comparison question in this video, and I'm going to be looking at whether All Black forwards are older than All Black backs. So quite straightforward. In my Google Sheet here, I am going to write in column A there at the top their position, and then in column B I'm looking at age. So these are the two things I'm wanting to record. Position here is going to be forward, and all I actually need to know, so obviously my first player here is Dane Coles, but the only thing I need to know for him is his age, so I'm just going to put that in. I don't need to put into my Google Sheet who the player is, because I can just take that data later that's on the right hand side and make a copy of that and paste it into my presentation that I'm doing for the assignment. So yeah, I'm just going to put in forward here. So what I can actually do is click in the bottom corner here. If I click and I drag, it will auto-populate with forward all the way down. And then I'm just going to go on to Liam Coltman, and I can see that his age is 28 and so on. So I'm just going to stop the video there and populate it all, and then I can show you what to do next. Alright, so I've got everybody's ages in here now. I just need to put in for the backs. I'll click and drag all the way down to the bottom there, which is Ben Smith. And as you can see, now I have forward and back in the left-hand column under position, and age down the right-hand column. There's a couple of cool things that you can do with Google Sheets, or just with Excel spreadsheet as well, and that I can find the mean, median, and mode. So these are the things you can do. So this can be done in NZgrapher as well, but what I'm going to do is just write in here forward, and underneath there, if you press the equals sign and write in average, which is our mean, and we can pick it up right there. What I can then do is, just for the forwards, if I click here and I drag down for all the forwards, well, there we go, and stop at the end of the forwards there and press enter, it will actually give me the mean for the forwards. So I can just write in next to that that's the mean. I might actually just pull this right across one, so we'll put it there. And then I'm going to do the median. So for again, equal sign, and then I can write in here median. And once again, just selecting the forwards, so I'm just going to click there and drag down to all the forwards, press enter, and it'll give me the forwards median, and once again for the mode. So yeah, as I said, this can be done on NZgrapher as well. Press the equal sign, mode, but it's just something that is quite cool to be able to do in Google Sheets as well. Right next to that, I'm going to do the same for backs, and they can, and I'll just do that automatically. Cool. So I hope that helps. Okay, sorry, so now I've got the mean, median, and mode for both the forwards and the backs here, and my data is all set up to go into NZgrapher. So if you want to see how it can be uploaded into NZgrapher, watch the next video. Thank you.